type of error message also span tag we are using generally. Of course, if you can use paragraphs also, you can use H1 tag also. But error message, if you use H1 tags, this much of size it will comes. Unnecessary thing. So one of the purpose of span is for small textual information. The second purpose of the tag is this type. Third purpose also available. What is that, sir? Highlighting of the text. I'll type it all these points, you don't worry. Third purpose is text highlightation. So if you want to identify the text highlightation, go for Wikipedia. Select any of the one content, one city or one subject or something like that. Hyderabad. So this is the Hyderabad related information, sir. Because some data blue color is available, sir. Those all are anchor tags. It's not span tag. Blue color all are the anchor tags, hyperlinks. Really, yes, sir. Take the mouse pointer, place on that one. Anchor or not? And this is also anchor. And this is also anchor. All these are the anchor tags. Just try to comes down. Hyderabad, observe in this paragraph. Hyderabad, Hyder Mahal, try to observe. Any difference is there? Let us slightly bending, sir. This is actually one paragraph. Whole paragraph is bending, sir. No. But 3-4 words only bending. So one is Bhagyanagar, next Hyder Mahal, and then Hyderabad. This is a continuation of the paragraph. But how, sir, a particular words only getting some different looks, sir? Generally, we are using the span tags. Not only bending, sir. A particular words I want to display in different colors, sir. The particular words I want to display different background pictures, something. Then we are going to using the span tag. Another example for these type of things, your college notice boards observed. Your college's notice boards. Some notice is going to sticking by the office peoples. Notice, if you observe, 2-3 papers available. 40 to 50 lines of data is there. Are you going to reading the 40 lines of data? We don't have that much of time. And management also knows that one very well. Then only what they are doing? Yellow color, some special pen they are using. Yellow color ink generally. In this 30 lines to 40 lines, moral of the story available. Or 2 lines. 2 lines are different yellow color. They are going to, what they are doing? Highlighting. That is called as this one. Highlightation of the text. Particular word or particular line or number or one alphabet. We want to highlight in the continuation of the paragraph. So if you want to represent that highlightation operations, use the span tag. Span is the best tag for that one. So you can observe like this, we'll find the so many words like this, so the different looks. Blue colors all are anchor tags, sir. See that you have hundreds of anchor tags in the single page. Every blue color is anchor tag only. And this is table, future topic. Can we design the table like this, sir? Yes, sir, we can design. That's not a problem. So I will live scenarios of this span tag. Now I'll type the sentences here. So span used to print small textual information. So in the sense of small text, one of the situation. Second one, error messages. The second one is error messages. And third one is highlighting. highlighting text. So these are the three different scenarios we are using the span tags. If you want to print the small text, use the span. And if you want to print error messages in our application form, better go for the span. And if you want to highlight the text in the part of the paragraph or part of the sentence, then use the span tag. These are the possible scenarios we need the support of the span tag. What is the nature of this tag, sir? It is a paired tag and it is a inline tag. Paired and inline, sir. Next, span followed by text and close the span. Span followed by text and close the span. Simple tag is not heavily you tag, a simple tag. Now see the example. Initially, I'm showing the how to use the span tag, sir. After few minutes, I'll show the implementation also. The initial example, we are not getting any something special. Span followed by high. Just a span close. That high message as easily displaying on the screen like this. Wait. Five minutes back, I said, if you use any tag, final output is this only. Situational wise, we have to go for the proper coding. Next, I want to use one more span tag just for an idea purpose. Please enter a valid password. This is one of the error messages, sir. Please enter a valid password. Now this error message displaying with which color it displaying, sir? By default, black color only. By default, it displays in the black color. But websites displaying in the red color, sir. We have to apply some settings. It's nothing but an CSS support required. So without CSS, colors changing not possible, sir. The last sessions also I said already that one. So these are the two spans, then these are the two labels. With this one, how to use the tag, we got an idea. And now I'm going to showing where to use the tags. This is nothing but an implementation. There are some unknown concepts also I'm going to using, sir. Unknown in the sense non-discussed concepts. Just observe, that's all. Because you want to get the implementation and you want to get the feel of the tags. I'm taking one small paragraph here. A small paragraph. This is my paragraph. But we have nearly 2+ lines of paragraph, sir. In this paragraph, try to identify the important words. 30 days. Next. Not a free software. Next, you must buy the license. But instead of reading of all these paragraph, 3 words, if you highlight it, sir, you will get the moral of the story. You can understand what is the meaning of paragraph. So the 3 words I'm going to highlighting with the yellow color. Why yellow color, sir? Generally, yellow color we are using, sir. Yellow color not interested, the black color you can use. Red color you can use, no problem. So not a free software. Not before I'm opening the span. I'm writing a small CSS part also here. So background yellow and close the span. And this span I'm closing after the software. 3 English words I just placed it between the span tag. Now these 3 English words highlighted with yellow color, but not whole paragraph, only 2 words, 3 words only. Like that. There are 30 days available. 30 also I want to highlight it, sir. Take the span once again. Style equals to background colon yellow and close the span. After 30 days, span tag closing. 2 times I highlighted. Third time also I'm implementing. You must buy the license. So if buy the license, I'm going to highlighting. Span again, same copy paste it. Style equals to background. So already 2 times yellow we used together. This time we'll go for different color. Which color? Red. Red and close here span. So I have one paragraph, sir. In that paragraph, some couple of words I want to present something specially. For that, I implemented the span tag. And this is the output. This is called as implementation. But now, 10 minutes back, I explained one question, one student question. Sir, this text we can print in heading tag also, sir. But if I use the heading tag, what happens, sir? H1 I use it. What happens now? Size increasing plus line splitting. H1 is block level tag. But now paragraph continuity is going on. No, sir. Is word is there. Is word after not free software comes in the separate line. Next paragraph sentence, next line it will goes. But now it is not look like as a paragraph. But what is, sir? Chicken biryani. Kichdi. You just did the paragraph as a kichdi, kaima. Again, 3 pieces, 3 places, different it will goes. So got it at tag names importance. All tags printing the data, but situational wise cleverly we have to use. But is it paragraph? It look like as paragraph? 100% no. But you are printing paragraph. Web page not showing the paragraph. Program 100% wrong. So all of you got it a clarity? A tag names importance compulsory. All tags are printing the data, sir, and not correct. But can I use here paragraph? No, sir, that is also wrong. Because at 3 words is taking as a separate paragraph. So one paragraph is splitting into 2 paragraphs. Then also it's missing the output. H1 tag to paragraph, what is difference, sir? And both are splitting the lines, but size is different. Still, it is not paragraph look. It is also not look like as at 3 different lines of text. That's all. So I don't want to break the paragraph. I don't want to split the paragraph, but I want to highlight the text. So suggestions follow compulsory. It is paragraph. Highlightation also available. There is no disturbance in the existing data. Alignment proper and colorings are perfectly comes. Okay, sir. This is one of the live situation of using span tag. Next, one more live situation, one more implementation. This time I'm introducing the label tag also. Label tag also current topic. So small heading, login page. A small heading, login page. I'm going to designing the login page. So the login page, we need 2 boxes, one for username entering and one for the password entering. But a boxes before message required or not required? Yes, that message is our label tag. So take the label here, username, label close, line break. Line breaker without line breaker, your interest. I'll show the both, you'll get an idea, see that. I'm not using any line break. Input type equals to text. This we don't know, sir. Tag future discussions. Once observe the look. Heading login, username text opposite text box. We can type your username here. Side by side. No, sir, I need one by one, sir. Line break operation. Here also you can type the username. Choice is yours, how you want a line. Next, but username before, most of the application names a star symbol available with which color? Mostly red color. Few websites say the maroon color it will comes. A couple of websites dark maroon using. 90% of websites red color using. So I want to print the star symbol, single letter, simple text. Label a spanner. Span. So label opposite span. Once again, style equals to color red. And a symbol color I'm changing, sir. Star. And close this. Label, span, both comes side by side. Username, opposite red color star symbol is comes. Next line, text box is created for data entry purpose. And again, line break. Second label, sir. Enter password. Label close. Once again, span. Style. Color red. Star symbol. Span close. Line break. Next, sir. Input type equals to password box. Can I take the text box, sir? Password visible to you. If you take the password not visible, sir, a secret dot, sir, comes. Next, line break. And last what, sir? Login button required. Bottom of that one, lastly is login button required. So button tag also I'm using here. Heading is login. So these are the implementation areas of the label and the span. Once again, I'm repeating one point, sir. Here, non-discussing concepts, I used so many. I'm just giving an awareness to you, the places to use the tags. These are the future explanations. We'll get it. You don't worry. See the look of the page, sir. A neatly login page design. Visibility problem. So this is our login page. Displaying now. Type the username here and type the password. Click on login. Simple login. So labels combination, spans combination. Now if I click it, it doesn't work, sir, because program not completed. Only front end we developed, that's all. Back end not developed. But when I click on this login button, sir, they should be called one backend program. One server side program should be called. That server side program, your advanced Java program. That server side program, your ASP.NET program. Or the server side program, your Python program. So HTML program calling that one of the server side programs. And they are going to connecting to your database and checking this username password correct or not. I'll just an idea purpose I'm showing, sir, because we already started the point together. So why we have to learn the Java? Why we have to learn the HTML, sir? These number of courses burden, sir. So for those students, a small awareness point. So this is our login screen, right? But whenever I click on this login screen, login button, sir, first type the username, something, and type the password, then click on. So when you click on this button, there should be calls one server side technology, one server side program. That is maybe Java, or maybe .NET, or maybe Node.js, maybe Python, maybe PHP. One of that one. But SSP, server side program. Collect. So this server side program, what happens, sir? It's just connecting to your database. Rose is same problem, same time. Wait here, online student, just 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Nothing happened, just power cut to 2 minutes. అది రావట్లేదా? Okay, now see that when I click on this login button, it calls one SSP, server side program. The server side program collecting your username and password. Then it is going to connecting to your Oracle or MySQL or SQL server, some database. So this is database. And it is cross checking the data with your existing data of the database. A user information compulsory available in database, sir. See the picture here, picture is visible clearly. See this side. So server side program connecting to database and cross checking with the existing tables information, and with the checking result, they're coming back to our SSP. Database to again coming back to server side program. Now server side program displaying as result next page. Your second page is going to opens. Generally in second page, your messages, your mails, your posts, your something available. It is actually our flow of the projects website. But now you got it. Why you are learning Java, why you are learning Oracle, why you are learning HTML, sir? And all are available, sir. If anything missing, sir, one operation jump. All coordination compulsory. That is called as the full stack. Full stack. So everybody they are playing their role. Best example, parts of our body only, sir. If eye is missing, sir, one feature you are missing. Simple. No, nose not available, sir. One functionality you are missing. Kidney is not available, sir. Some problems. Liver not available, sir. Gone. Heart not available, sir. Yes, still we can work it, no problem. Because so many your hearts not available at you, gada. Correct, gada. You already given some rented or lease. So this is front-end technologies, this is back-end technologies, and these are the databases. Every technology, they are playing their roles. So you started first front-end, future going to Oracle, and future you are going to back-end. If you combine all these things, we can design an effective and efficient dynamic websites. Okay, sir. Just how to use, first I explain. The situations where to use, I try to highlight here. Of course, in this some lines you are not understanding, who are learning the first time HTML. Maybe style no idea for you, input tag no idea for you. We'll discuss in future concepts those. My intention, I want to give immediately an idea, oh, these are the places to use the tags. For that, I just went to out of the explanations also. But it will comes in future, you don't worry about that. So please don't ask the questions related to input tag, button tag, and style. I mean, we are not discussed. Coming explanations. So overall, label and span. Labels for messages to user, what they have to type. Spans are used for this type of special operations. Next, from day one to up to now, and day one in the sense when the examples are started, 3-4 days back, 5 days, and I think from that day to till to now, how many tags we discussed now. I'm just giving the list, sir. Just a small flashback playing. Reason, sir, I'm moving to the another fresh topic now. Just a small rewind. The
Hello
very
everyone.
first I started
In this
with the
section,
heading tags. Total 6 tags available here. Heading tags, total 6 available here. And all these 6 tags used for displaying of the headings. Used for displaying of headings in with different sizes. Different sizes. Next, I explain about the paragraph tags. Next, I explain about the paragraph tag. So this tag used for printing multiple lines of text. Paragraph tag used for multiple lines of text. And after that, I used the BR tag. This is for what purpose we use it, sir? For line break operations. BR tag. Next, we used some HTML operators. So to print some special symbols. To print some special symbols or special characters. And after that, I used some formatting tags. And here also we have total 6 plus 2, 8 tags we discussed. 6 running and 2 are the outdated tags. And all these 8 tags are used to format the text. Formatting is nothing but to change the look of the text or to change the printing style of text. This one. And after that, we went to some settings part. Up to this one, designing part. Next, I started the settings part, that is the head section. So the tag name is title. So use it to set the titles for web page. It's a settings part, don't forget. Next, I used the link tag. Next, I used the link tag. So this is used to set the logo as well as icon for your web page. Logo or icon for your web page. And next, I explain about again body section, IMG tag. Next, I explain about the IMG tag. So for displaying of the images. And then I explain about the anchor tag. And purpose of this one, sir, use it to create hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are used for navigation's purpose. And today's explanation, that is the label and span. So these are the list of tags what we completed up to now, sir. 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 16, 18, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 tags completed. 22 HTML tags completed and some HTML operators also completed. So last 5 days, especially what we discussed, I overview this one. And 22 tags completed means you should get an idea about the HTML. You should get an idea about the designing of the tags. So I hope we got the idea about the tags and the designing of the content. Now I'm going to starting the CSS. HTML not completed, sir. HTML not completed. I given the basic awareness about the HTML. Now we want to get the basic idea about CSS. After getting of CSS awareness, next both are running parallelly like this. Mana railway track available kada, like that. One HTML track, one CSS track, both running like this. Once again, sir, online students listen carefully. HTML not completed. We just put a small comma for HTML, not full stop. Reasons are the coming explanations, the CSS requirement also needed. Then only I'm introducing the CSS. Triple R movie watched, Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada. Ram character introduction over, sir. Now Beam character is going to introducing. Simple. Ram character over, so Beam is going to entering. Next villain character comes, Shiv Kumar. So what I'm doing, I hope you understand. So a small information about the CSS, little bit 3-4 points, theory points. CSS, full form we know very well, cascading style sheets. The full form of the CSS is cascading style sheets. What is the use of this CSS and how to work with this CSS, sir? So CSS basically used to change the look and feel of your web page. Already 10 web pages we created with rough format. 10 web pages we already created. This is the 11th concept, 11th example. Now this is web pages, sir. One letter available, it's a web page only. One line available, it's a web page only. So this is web page. Previous ones also web page. But all these web pages we created without any markup, right? Now we got the markup kit also only. Yesterday only I purchased in the Amazon Prime membership. Morning delivered also there already. So we are going to applying the markup kit on these pages and murder. Joke, amma. Ha 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 ha. Before the word, madam seriously saying like this. Huh? When I said it's a joke, and ha 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 ha. Huh? So CSS used this sentence we know very well, sir. So many times I said in our demo sessions already this one. CSS used to change the look and feel of a web page. Cascading style sheets, CSS used to change the look and feel of a web page. What is the meaning of this look and feel of your web page, sir? I'll write in the brackets, sir. This word you know very well. Makeover. The web page makeover. Know that very well. This side all you know the meaning of exactly makeover. Huh? Maybe HTML meaning you don't know, but makeover meaning we know. So actually here one small clarity I'll give it, sir. This sentence I use it for easily understanding of the every student, sir. But technically this is not proper sentence. For your understanding, this sentence is okay. Even non-IT student also, they can understand this one. Programmatical, I want to convey the same point. How, sir? Like this. What is the use of CSS? I'm saying in the technical words, sir. It is simple words for understanding by everybody. Technical words, sir. CSS used to redefine existing HTML tags. CSS used to redefine the existing HTML tags. What happening exactly in the CSS program, sir? This is happening. So maybe somebody they're receiving this point, somebody they have some small doubt about this point. Then only I already write it one more. It two sentences meaning same, but one is the regular pronunciation, one is the programmatical pronunciation. Simple. What is the meaning of redefinition, sir? I'll explain that one. Reword generally you are using first time or second time? Second time. First time re not comes, defining is comes. The same thing if you are doing one more and then one more times, we are saying as a re. Re explanation available, re explanation available, execution available, re execution available, attending of the batch available, re attending of the batch also available. First time we attended batch, not received subject properly, sir. More stronger foundation. Second time also you can attend subject, no problem. So the reword we are using second time. Why it is a second time only, sir? HTML tags already developed or you are going to developing? Developed. Every HTML tag is a predefined. And every HTML tag inside we have some settings already or not? Yes, color setting available, background color setting, size, alignment, everything is there. Those I am going to changing as per my requirement. So H1 tag color already black is there. H1 tag color is already black. By using CSS, that black I am going to changing into red. But now you are assigning first time color to H1 or second time you are assigning? Second time we are assigning the color. So that's why I said as a redefining. So taking every HTML tag, which part you don't like, sir, remove that one, write your own instruction in that place. Every HTML tag inside some settings are available. So open the HTML tag, which setting you don't like, sir, just remove that one. In that place, write your own prop settings. This is nothing but a redefining. This normal meaning is this one, sir. No, sir, this sentence we need some continuation, sir. Means, so we are overwriting existing settings of HTML tags. Means we are overwriting existing settings of HTML tags. So this is exactly what happens in our CSS. If you have any problem with this one, follow the second sentence, sir. Your understanding is important. Wording is not important. Next one. Where we can define this CSS, sir. Okay, purpose of this CSS over. I want to know the locations where we can write the CSS. Top of the program or middle of the program or outside the program or inside the program, sir. We have the different places to define the CSS. Different places are available to define the CSS, sir. That is called as implementation areas of CSS. Implementation areas of CSS. Programming terminology, scope of the CSS. Scope. SCOP, scope. Remember, sir, once again, I'm repeating the point. I'm going to explaining now the places where we can develop the CSS code. That's all. Not how to develop. How to develop, that is next explanation. Where are you? How are you? Both are same. Where are you means location representation. How are you means your current status representation. You are good, bad, or studying, sleeping, sick, something. Where are you in the sense you have to say the Amirpetana, Hyderabad, Naresh Institute or something. Now I'm going to explaining where to develop the CSS. Locations. Locations completed, sir. How to develop the CSS? 2 points available. Where are you? How are you? We can implement CSS in different places. In different places. Those are one is inline, second one is internal, and third one is external. We can implement CSS in different places. The places are inline, internal, and external. So one by one, we are going to working now, sir. First inline, after completion internal, and after completion external, I'm going to explain. And all these notes are already available in our Google Classroom link. That is just for formality. Again, I'm typing. That's all. Every information is already I uploaded in the Google Classroom link. One MS Word document I uploaded, sir. It contains the 37 pages, sir. And it HTML part 1 notes. Previous explanation, today's explanation, coming 10 days explanations, theory part I already posted in the Google Classroom link. Examples daily I'm posting. Theory part I already given. Only the pending is opening and reading yourself only. But still somebody is there dropping the messages in Google chat box. Notes. Notes I already sent. Notes already sent. Notes already I sent. Notes I already uploaded in Google Classroom link. Notes already uploaded in Google Classroom link. Notes already uploaded in Google Classroom link. And they are asking repeatedly question. I also repeating answer. Sir, please check the Google Classroom link. Your theory part documentation available. And 9 examples I already posted in the Google Classroom link till to yesterday is completed. And in 9 demo sessions, videos, links also I posted in the Google Classroom link. Up to day before yesterday. Future videos are not shareable. Remember that point. Today onwards, I'm not going to posting any video. I'm not going to sharing any video. All 9 sessions videos are last videos. If you need any videos, you have to please contact the admin of the batch. You can contact me for doubts, notes, examples. End of the session, I'll share again the Google Classroom link, sir. Wait. So, inline CSS, the first one. Not open link. So, what is the meaning of inline and how to write the inline, sir? Inline is nothing but an within the line. Inline is nothing but an within the line. HTML tags, CSS styles, both comes in the same line like this. This is called as inline CSS. Possible, sir? First model that only. The first model is that only. Wait. So writing HTML tag and CSS code within the same line is called Inline CSS is called as inline CSS. This is the definition of the inline CSS. So this is the definition or meaning of the inline CSS. And how to write this one, sir? Okay, definition, okay, sir. Syntax, anything separately available? Yes, sir, we have syntax. I'm showing the syntax first. This is our tag name, sir. H1, H2, paragraph, label, span, whatever it may be. 22 tags, you know already. Write one of the tag name. After that, one space, style equals to property, colon, value, semicolon. Again, property, value, property, value, property, value, property, value, your interest. Any number of you can write it, no problem. Style equals to double quotes, property, colon, value, then semicolon. Next, second property, colon, value, semicolon. Third property, fourth property, up to n number of properties we can write, no problem. I'll explain every word meaning, sir. First syntax, let me finish. So what is the starting word, sir? Style. That is the meaning. Inline CSS. We are writing CSS styles. Where we are writing? Within the same line of the HTML tag. This is HTML tag. This is CSS part. Both sitting in the same bench. That is called as inline. Next, what is this property, sir? First time you are using this terminology, sir. No, sir, we know already property. 2 days back, 3 days back, I think, maybe 3 days back, we discussed one concept, this one. Any idea? That attributed, today I am calling as a property. Last 2-3 days onwards, SRC, width, height, title, href, target, all these are the attributes. Today onwards, that attributes we are calling as a properties. The both are same as sir. Component same, purpose same, subjects different. The HTML pronunciation and this is the CSS pronunciation. HTML person calling attribute, CSS person calling property. Item same only, sir. You know width very well, right? Width equals to 100 pixels. See this one, some IMG. But what is width, sir? Property or attribute? Width is property or attribute? Attribute me one. The attributes, I mean, your previous concept. It's an attribute. Now the same I'm going to writing like this. See that one? Image style equals to width colon 100 pixels. Now width is, sir, property. This is your previous concept and this is your current topic. Width. But this is property value. Sorry, this is attribute and value, and this is property and value. Why pronunciational changes, sir? Concept changed, sir. Heading changed. CSS. So little bit 1 or 2 soundings are going to change. We could do one small thing, one small funny example. Every example, those and they are feeling here. Boys, what's your name? Hemant. So tomorrow early hours, Hemant marriage. Tomorrow, Friday, kada, super day. Mahalakshmi Day also. So tomorrow morning, early hours, 5 o'clock, Hemant marriage, right? But Hemant and their family staying in one apartment, ABC apartment. The apartment surrounding 3 flats available. 101, 102, 103, and 104. In these 3 flats, small kids are available. 5 to 10 years kids available. But daily kids, they are calling Hemant brother, not a Anna or brother. Telugu candidates aithe Anna, Hindi candidates aithe Bhaiya, English candidates aithe brother, right? Kids kada. He is also no. And tomorrow morning marriage completed, sir. After completion of that all marriage, evening they reach it to home. But the same kids, what they are calling? Uncle. The fact happens so many times in our life also. I think you don't have any experience, maybe. Your brother or your sister available. Kada? But a marriage is the break point. Before marriage, after marriage. Marriage one level. Level before you all are the sister, you all are the brothers. Akka, Anna, brother, sister. Whenever you cross this level, sir, aunties, uncles, same person or not? Same Hemanto, same kid. Why change your pronunciation? You promoted to the next level. Whenever you got promotion, sir, your pronunciations also changing. The real life facts, sir, this one. So previously with, and this is Hemant before marriage. This is Hemant after marriage. So before marriage attribute to after marriage. And boys, maybe you are not getting any change before and after your name, but your name changing. Before marriage, in front of your name, you are writing MIS or something. Whenever the marriage completed, Mrs. Or end of the name, one more name also adding. Suppose your name Lakshmi, the person name is Krishna Rao, Lakshmi Rao. Simple thing. So name little bit changing, pronunciational and writing pattern. So attributes and properties concept same as sir, purpose same as sir, but two different web technologies together. So two different pronunciations. For your future reference, here I mentioned this one. This is attribute and this is the property. So CSS way of pronunciations, properties, HTML way of pronunciation, attributes. Can I shuffle the names as are your interest, your pronunciation, your wish? I don't have any problem. Sometimes the kids before marriage also they are calling uncle, right? Based on before marriage also kids they are calling uncle. This depends upon our cutout. Commas, colons, those are the compulsory, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Generally in HTML, we are using equal. HTML, we are using equal. CSS inside, we have to use the colon symbol. Every property after colon compulsory, don't use the equal. Equals not accepted. You must use the colon. And end of the property, semicolon compulsory, not choice, sir. Mandatory. In HTML, sir, every property after we are using space. I hope you know that one. And width completed, space, height, space, title, space, something. HTML space compulsory, and here semicolon is compulsory. So equal place colon comes there, space, semicolon. You get extra double quotations. So this is CSS part. A blue color area is the CSS part. That one I typed right side of the HTML tag. So both are in the same line, that is called as the inline CSS. So how many tags we can write like this, sir? Any number of, sir, no limits, sir. Take every HTML tag, redefine like this. This is called as programmatically redefinition. Existing properties or existing attributes, I'm going to replacing with my own value. Is there any special guidelines or instructions or something, sir? Nothing, sir. Symbols follow carefully. Any of the symbol missing, properties not applying. Simple thing. Symbols is the compulsory. See, I'm going to designing a small program here with inline awareness. Just I'm writing the heading also, demo on inline styles. Next H1 followed by HTML. H1 followed by HTML. So check the output once, sir. Now HTML comes with the black color, a default color, already defined color. That color I'm redefining with the red. So take the style equals to what we want to change, sir. Color, text color we want to change. So color colon red. Now color is a CSS property. Red is the value of that property. Now see this one. I define this style as a developer. I define this style and apply this style on H1 tag. What are the style I defined here? Apply this style on this H1 tag. Next tags are next tag not applied, sir, only for this tag only. It doesn't apply to the next tag, only for this tag only. Now see that output. This is our HTML comes with red color. Next, back to the program. I have one more tag H2, sir. And here I want to print some CSS. And now the CSS color what, sir? Black. But we are given red color previous program, sir. That is on that tag only. But which tag name you specified here? That tag only these styles are applying, not to other tags. 100% it doesn't apply to the next tag. But if I need the same style in the next tag also, what to do, sir? Copy and paste. Just copy and paste it. H2 is also comes with red color. H1 is red color and H2 is also red color. Next, I'm writing one more tag, sir. H3. Once again, style equals to color blue. Continuously red and boring, sir. So blue. What is the next message, sir? JavaScript. And H3 close. H1 red color, H2 red color, H3 blue color. But actually all these three tags are black colors. All these three original colors are the black. Original black colors we overwriting with our own colors. How many colors we can write here, sir? One color we can write it, sir. Which colors are your interest? How many colors you know? 20, 30, 40, 300, 3000, 30,000. How many colors you know? Write that colors here. But at a time only one color. So JavaScript is comes with blue color. Like that, every tag we can redefine. Can I do the same thing for anchor tags and paragraphs and labels, sir? Yes, sir. Once you go and check the last program, sir, you will get an idea now. Last program on a span tag example. But a background color yellow is comes together. Now you can watch the source code. You can understand. Span, style, background, yellow. That is just what I did. I'm applying the style to whom, sir? Span tag. What is the data, sir? Not a free software. The actual color of the not a free software is black. White. Background white. Text color is black. A background white are replaced with yellow color. That is inline CSS. That is called as inline CSS. Now these all are inline CSS. The star symbol I'm printing with red color. That is also inline because style, tag, both are in the same line. Next, I want to change the whole paragraph color, sir. Nothing problem, sir. So take a small paragraph here once again. Go for the starting of the tag, space, style, color, green. And I already red to blue used, so color changed green. Now the whole paragraph is comes with green color. The whole paragraph is comes with green color. So 4 tags I shown are already. Balance tags you can continue yourself. I applied already on 4 tags, H1, H2 paragraph. With this knowledge, other tags you can try to change yourself. So inline CSS, how to write it? I hope you got an idea. So tag right side we are writing. The next one is second model I am going to starting, sir, internal CSS. Inline just completed, so I'm going to writing the internal next model. So what is internal means, sir? CSS styles, HTML tags, both are available in the same program, but not in the same line. Not in same line. Example, sir, you want me sitting style. You are available in the same room. I'm also sitting in the same room only. But my place is different and your place is different. We are sitting both in the same line? No, sir. If I'm sitting along with you, it's not visible to other students. Then only get a special designing, a special attractions here and there. So I'm also sitting in this room number 1. You are also sitting in the room number 1, but not in the same bench, but not in the same line. This is called as internal, within the same room. The room is nothing but a program. A room is nothing but a program. So compared to your previous sentence, small change. Writing HTML tags and CSS code within the same program is called as internal CSS. Within the same program is called as internal CSS. For clarity purpose, I'm writing some more sentence, sir, but not in same line. Just for your clarity purpose, I'm writing that. Both are present in the same program, but not in the same line. It is just for your awareness. First sentence, if you remember, that's okay. Internal CSS meaning or definition. HTML tags, CSS styles, all are available in the same file or same program, but different places, different lines, different directions also. Next one, how to develop this internal CSS and where to develop, sir, place and how. Internal CSS, if you want to develop, we need a special tag, style tag. Style tags, sir, first time we are going to using. You just used a few minutes back, sir. Is it tag or attribute? Attribute. Now I'm going to using the style tag. So we can define internal styles by using style tag. Is it compulsory, sir? Mandatory, sir. Without a style tag, internal styles not possible. Inline possible, external also possible, but internal is not possible. Then what is the nature of these tags, sir, and where to write the tags, sir? That I'm writing in the next line, sir. Style is parent tag. Style is parent tag, and it should be used. It should be used within the head tag. Within the head tag. First one, nature of the style tag. It's a parent tag. And the tag which place I have to write in the program, sir, that should be typed inside the head section. Reasons are style settings, CSS settings tag. As per our previous discussions, head tag, body tag, two available. Settings goes to head tag. Content is goes to body tag. So these all are the CSS settings that should be right inside the head part. Syntax, sir. Syntax comes like this. Style open and style close. Style open and style close. Then how to continue, sir? Means how to define inside, sir, styles. But remember, sir, my CSS styles begins here. My CSS styles ends here. This is beginning of the CSS styles definitions, and this is the end of the CSS styles definition. And inside that, define your tags. Inside that, define your tags. How? Like this, one small curly bracket is comes. If property value is there, na? This as easily writing inside this curly bracket. A basic outline. Last example, last explanation. All these properties we placed inside the double quotes. The first previous example. Now here we are placing all these properties inside the curly bracket. Syntactical changes. Now I have the small doubt here, sir. This is beginning of the style and group of properties closing of the style. But this style is defined for which tag? We define some settings here, color or background or something. These all the settings we define for H1 paragraph or label. No clarity, because observe these 4 lines. Is there any tag name? No. So browser also now getting confusion only. Yes, developer, you define the style, but this one applying on which tag? That information is missing. But browser, what it is doing, sir? Skipping these lines, running balance code. You have to specify to browser, apply these all the settings on the so and so tag. Apply all these settings on the so and so tag. Where, sir? Here write the tag name. Here write the tag name. Now, these all settings applying on this specified tag. Tag name your interest, H1 to paragraph, H1 to label, anything we can use. Syntactical changes, sir, nothing else. So first start with the style tag, then write your tag name, curly bracket, list of settings or list of properties, then close the curly bracket. Now browser feeling words are what are the properties you specified or redefined? These all are applying on this corresponding tag. That is the meaning here. Now this is one tag. I want to define like this one more tag, sir. Continue in the same, sir. Line by line, line by line, line man. This is the one more tag, one more tag, one more tag, one more tag. You can write any number of tags like this. But remember, all should be present inside style tag. These all are should be present inside the style tag. That is confirmed. Style tag missing, this all becomes as a just a text. By chance style tag is missing. These all are the hello message, how much importance, this also same importance. Just it becomes as a plain text. I have small doubt here. This whole style tag, where I have to type? This total style tag, where I have to type? Place inside the head tag. Inside the head tag. That compulsory to follow. This is internal CSS theoretical part, sir. After seeing the program, we'll get the some more idea. So example we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all.